Hey guys, Liam from Killer Inc here, and today I'm going to be showing you the RAF Recoil Disposable Tubes from Tassol. So let's take a closer look. The RAF Recoil Disposable Tubes have been designed by Tassol for tattoo artists looking to lower the carbon footprints. These disposable tubes feature a completely stainless steel grip that offers the modern feel of a stainless steel tube, while being more environmentally friendly than the plastic counterparts. The RAF Recoil tubes are perfectly balanced and weighted to fit well in your hand, as well as reducing vibration while working. Thanks to the coiled stainless steel construction, artists are able to get a firm yet comfortable grip on the units. These 25mm disposable tubes from Tassol are offered in 3 configurations: angled round, diamond, and open magnum. The tubes with angled round tips are available in sizes 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 14, while the diamond versions come in sizes 5, 7 and 9, and open magnum variants in 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Individually packaged and EO sterilised, the Tassol RAF Recoil disposable tubes come in boxes of 10 units and are available to order from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So what do you think of these RAF Recoil tubes? Will they be your next disposable option? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.